This was an opportunity to capture PoK Mamatas' message on Sindoor in Bengal Assembly. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Tuesday questioned why none of the terrorists responsible for the Pahalgam terror attack had been captured. She suggested that the military standoff with Pakistan had been an opportunity to take control of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Mamata Banerjee was addressing members of the West Bengal Assembly during the adoption of a resolution lauding the valor of the armed forces during Operation Sindoor. Although the term was never mentioned in the tabled resolution, there was a need to teach terrorists a lesson. We salute bravery of armed forces, Banerjee said in the Bengal Assembly, hailing India's military action. The Indian military conducted strikes on terror targets in Pakistan and PoK under the operation, which was a retaliation to the deadly strike in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam that claimed 26 lives. The BJP questioned why the word Sindoor was missing from the resolution. Opposition leader Suvendu Adhikari said the Pahalgam attack specifically targeted a religious community, which had not been mentioned in the resolution. To this, she responded, terrorism has no religion, caste, or creed. We don't support it. Launching a blistering attack on the BJP, Banerjee said the government at the centre should go as it failed to provide security to the people of India. The Pahalgam terror attack was a result of the centre's callousness. Why were security personnel absent from the site of the terror attack in Pahalgam, she asked. Taking a swipe at the all-party delegation diplomacy on Operation Sindoor, in which the Trinamool Congress TMC was also involved, she said she was unsure if it was working as Pakistan had received loans from the International Monetary Fund IMF. The chief minister accused the BJP of trying to politicize the valor of the armed forces with an eye on elections. PM Modi is only busy advertising about himself, she alleged. Swipe left for next video. The House unanimously adopted the resolution condemning the Pahalgam attack and lauding the valor of the Indian Armed Forces for the anti-terror strikes. With PTI Input's latest blogs.